I am gifting 12 tomatoes, just like this one, tonight. This one I didn't realize wasn't in the bag, so that one's just gonna end up sitting on the side, right there in the main bag. And then there's 11 in here, 12 total. I'm gonna go gift those right now, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, it's been 2 days. I'm coming back to my gifting spot where I left the tomatoes 2 nights ago. Let's see what's here. Oh, someone opened the bag, the width of a hand, and some of the tomatoes are gone and some are left. Let's count how many are left in there. Okay. Let's see how many